everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to sign up for Roblox. So if you wanna sign up for Roblox but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to sign up for Roblox. You can sign up for Roblox using the Roblox app or website. So here I'm using website. Go head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Roblox and hit the enter. Click on the second link that appears, which is official website of Roblox. There you can already see the sign up application or form. Simply add your birth date, username, password and gender. Once you are done adding your password, everything, then hit the sign up option and you will be successfully able to sign up for Roblox. So this is how easily you can sign up for Roblox. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.